welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. My name is Lady Lori. And yes, why am I wearing the same thing? Why do I look the same way? Well, because I'm doing a whole bunch of boxies. So I don't know if I'll post them in the same day or not. We'll see. Anyhow, let's get going. I got another BoxyCharm. This is the base box. These are the June boxes. All right. Another Express Yourself. That's right. Okay. So in the one that Sassy showed you, that one was the Violet Voss. That was the Sun-Kissed palette. And obviously she got the Too Faced lip injection. Yes. Okay. Pardon me. Anyway, in this one here, let's see what we got. It looks like we got Eloise. What? You know what? I think we got a new variation because usually it's 001. This is the base box for June, and I got these 007, so 007. Like big whoop, right? You guys, we really don't care. Anyway, I got the Sahara Nights by Eloise. I know you guys may have seen this palette. I'm guessing that we got different palettes because that other one is the Violet Voss. I have not been making any choices with IPSY. I have not made any choices for customization with Boxy in the last, I believe it's been 2 months. So I didn't make any choices last month, and I sure as heck did not get any this month. I do get the emails that tell me when it's there, and I look at it because I check my emails every day. But I just get to the point where I'm like, you know what, give me what you want to give me. And sometimes it's duplicate boxes, which I give to you guys. And then sometimes there are boxes like this, which are, you know, they surprise me. So here we go. Oh, that's gorgeous. And it does have a long mirror. It does have a long mirror. Oh, you guys. These are all gorgeous shimmers. They're high pigmented shimmers that'll truly leave all your nights golden. And this one comes in at $35. Beautiful, beautiful. These look like fun. They're simple. You could wear these to work, you know, just put a simple look together in your eye with a nice, you know, transition color, something soft, you know, your browns. It doesn't matter, whatever color, even your orange pinks, and then finish that look off with that. Oh my gosh. This next one is from Volition, and this is a turmeric brightening polish. It's a face and body. What is it though? An indulgent polishing scrub powered by turmeric to visibly brighten skin and reveal a natural looking glow. $38. I was looking for something like this for my shower. Oh, this is, you know what? We're gonna try this. We're gonna try it, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Not only the way it performs, but also how the scent is. Definitely, definitely. We'll check that one out. And then by Juice Beauty, I want to say that I have a couple of these, or maybe this might be my second one because I've given the other one away. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. This looks like a duplicate because my tubs that are inside my closet over there, that closet is filled. It actually has shelves built into it that is all beauty related items. Nice container, very nice container, especially at 72 bucks. 72, you guys. Wow. Okay, and we keep on going. A polished lip plumping gloss. Okay, and where do we have this? Is Kismet polished lip plumping pumping gloss. Oh, this packaging is beautiful. Look at that. It is gorgeous, right? Look at how pretty. A plumping gloss. Let's see if it does. Oh, you know what happened there, don't you, Lori? It just You just put air in it. Okay. I think I don't think that you want to put it on the color of lips that I had. They were grape and berry. I mean, it's pretty though. I'm just gonna say Sassy would probably love it. I'll have to ask her when I head up to the boardroom. That's pretty. I like, okay, $18. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I hope you guys are paying attention, because you know we always ask, what was your favorite item? And then the last one is by Moonlight by Michaela, and this is the Loon number 49. Didn't we get this before? Is this up in the back of my door? Your lovely lips communicate so much every day. Why not your sense of style as well? Made with comfortable all-day wear. Moonlight by Michaela hovers lipstick pencils. Oh, they're pencils. It's a lipstick pencil. Okay. What color do we get? There we go. See that? It's pretty, right? $18. And what color do we have? Very similar to the color that I just put on my lips. Very similar. Oh, that is soft. That goes on nice. That's pretty. Okay, well, I swatched it, gotta keep it. So that's pretty. Okay, $18. Looks like these are going in my stash. So we have this at 18. We have the Kiss Matte, which is the gloss that I'm wearing right now. That one is another one at 18. 72 for this guy right here. That is the Juice Beauty. That's quite a bit. The Volition came in at 38 bucks. So, you know, not too bad. And then our last one at 35 was the Sahara Nights. That was the eyeshadow palette. So what was your favorite item? Which one of these products in this box did you like the most? Remember, this is June. I'm still going through June. June had a lot of things going on. For one, it would be these teeth. So, and they did hurt a lot, especially when I bit the side of my cheek. Actually, it was this side. But anyway, you guys, let me know, which one did you like? What was your favorite? You know, I'm looking at some of these items thinking, you know what, there is a possibility I can build a little box for somebody and put my BoxyCharm items in there that I'm not going to keep, even from the premium box and from the box that Sassy opened, I believe last Mask Monday, and I'll let you guys know when we're going to have a giveaway. We do have the Boxy versus Boxy. We do have the Meaningful Beauty as well as the Elemis. I need to announce those winners, and I'll be doing that, I believe, this week. I want to get caught up on my giveaways. All my stuff is out there. Just need some labels on there and a nice little card to go inside. So anyway, thanks for spending some time with me, you guys. I greatly appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to make that little thumbs up solid. It helps me out. All right, you guys, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.